Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this just happens to be your first time here, welcome. I hope you stay for a while. I do all types of natural hair videos, so if that is something that you enjoy, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, I think. Anyways, today is a day number 5 of my top 5 favorites. I have gone over shampoos, deep conditioners, leave-ins, and stylers, and now my miscellaneous products, like just all the other stuff that I love, but I'm only gonna give you 5. So to hop right into this, my first one has to be the Aloha Rose Clay Mask from Chocolate Kinks and Curls. I have only really used this as a pre-shampoo and I love it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it suits my scalp. It helps get rid of flakes. It's almost like a spa experience, and I do it almost every wash day. I've just noticed that my scalp feels better when I do pre-shampoo with the mask, and I love it. I have never actually used this as a clay wash. I'm sure it would be nice, and maybe one day I will, but right now I'm thoroughly enjoying it as a pre-shampoo, and so that's why it's on this list. Second item that also I use as a pre-shampoo, I use them in combination because I'm extra sometimes, but Melanin's multi-use 7-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Now if you saw that video, I loved it as a leave-in, I thought, and then the more I used it, the more I just kind of felt like it wasn't keeping my hair moisturized, and it just seemed to work better as a pre-shampoo. Now I don't know if you want to pay that much for a pre-shampoo. I have bottles of it, like I have like 2 bottles of it, and it's something that I need to work through anyway, so I particularly don't mind using it as a pre-shampoo right now. I know there are other more affordable ones, but it does a really great job of moisturizing my hair, and it makes it a lot easier to detangle, and so I don't mind it because I'm getting benefits from it. I just hate that I have to wash it out so soon. With those powers combined, it makes my wash day a whole lot easier, especially if I pre-shampoo and then clarify my hair doesn't get tangled. And even though clarifying shampoos, they usually strip your hair, I know that I had that moisture in there prior. So those are 2 of my top 5. Number 3 is the keratin and green tea reconstructor from Apogee. It's kind of like a staple. I've used it on and off for years, and I really only use it whenever I am, is this a silk press? I don't really know if it's a silk press because it's not like silky, but whenever I go to flat iron my hair, I just like it as an extra barrier. It makes my hair so soft and manageable that I have to add that extra step, and I don't mind it. It's inexpensive and it's an OG, so definitely top 5, and it ain't number 5. Number 4 is the Kenra blow dry spray. It can take me anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour to just blow dry my hair with a normal blow dryer, and who's got the time? That's why I don't really do a lot of stretch styles. I really don't like to flat iron my hair too often because it's timely and it's a process. But that blow dry spray actually cut the time almost in half. It gets rid of frizz is what I have noticed, and it actually makes my hair softer. It's also a little pricey, but it definitely does what it says that it's gonna do, and I can always appreciate a product that does what it says it's gonna do. Especially now in the cooler months, I want to wear my hair stretched more, so I plan on using it more often. But the video I'm uploading tomorrow, I also use it, so stay tuned for that as well. Number 5. As I sit here and think about it, number 5 probably shouldn't be on this list, but there was a point this year where I loved it. I swore by this oil, and it's the Don't Despair Repair Rose Strengthening Oil. I was using it like 3 days a week. Now I'm out of it, and so I feel like it helps retain length, but I can't really prove it. And it was $30 for this little bit. So as I sit here and ponder on it, I don't really know if it was worth it. I feel like I could do other things to strengthen my ends, but while I was using it, when I was caught up in the love affair of it, I absolutely loved it. And I used all of it, and I swore by it. It was just really, really good. So I don't know, if you are a straight natural, try it. Maybe it does strengthen your ends. Yeah, that's my number 5. But I have a bonus. So the bonus item, which could actually replace the number 5, is by the Inky List. They just came out with like hair care products, and it's the hyaluronic hydrating serum. It works. You can feel the moisture in that oil. I haven't done a video on it yet. I just wanted to get familiar with the products and use them more than once before I actually sat down and talked to y'all about them. But I tried 4 products from that line, and that one sticks out the most, enough that it made my top 5 like specialty, because hyaluronic acid is definitely hydrating, and especially this time of year, it's some good stuff. I'll definitely be sitting down to review the Inky List hair care products very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have been doing such an awesome job commenting down below. I know I gotta try out Soul Botanicals and Miche Beauty because I have obviously been missing out. Don't forget to let me know what are the other products that you love to use. I'm pretty sure somebody is gonna say the African Pride pre-shampoo. That is on my to try list because I've heard so many people raving about it. But yes, thank y'all so much to all my new subscribers. Welcome. You all are so appreciated. That is all that I have for you guys today. You enjoy the rest of your day or have a good evening, and I will see you in the next one.